everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have day number 20. We're getting so close to Jenny's countdown to Christmas. Here is what the bag looks like, and it feels like fabric, so let's see what's inside. Okay, let's see. Oh goodness. If you hear thumps and stuff upstairs, my kids are like going crazy. I have no idea what they're doing. All right, let's see. What is that? Okay. All right, so it looks like we have like a panel. Let me see. Is this a panel? I have no idea what this is. All right, we must be getting something coming up here pretty soon because, or this wouldn't be the embroidery, like fabric for the embroidery, right? I don't think so. I would use probably like linen or something. But anyway, here is this panel that we got. No explanation at all. It has some green fabric here with little polka dots. It's got this one here that's kind of like a mauve, like a purpley, kind of pinky red tone. This chevron orange, kind of like a tan basket weave type pattern. And then we've got this big cut here, and this has flowers on it, this blue. Okay, then we've got more basket weave, and then we've got these checks. But no instructions. I have no idea what this is for. So hopefully day number 21 will tell us what this fabric is for. Let me know what you guys think of this one and what you think day 21 might be down below. Bye everybody, I hope you have a great day.